Hi everyone, it's Janice from Paul's Dream and Joy. Thank you so much for coming by today. I'm glad that you're here. I have a great card that I want to show you. I'm using a Kraft card base. You got it. I'm using the vertical fold. And it's going to be really simple to do. It's not going to take long at all. So if you're ever in a hurry, this is a great thing for you to do if you need a card in a hurry. So we're going to take this and we're going to put this as the background, and I'll have a link in the description for all the little products that I'm using in case you want to look them up and use them also. You'll be able to find out where I got them from. All right, so that's the background. And then I went ahead and stamped this. It says, "Stay cheese, say cheese." And if you don't know why it says that, if you didn't see it a while ago, or if you don't see it now, I'll let you know why. But you probably figured it out by now because you're smart like that. All right, so that's going to go there. And then this cutie patootie is holding the camera. So that's why it says say cheese. Isn't she cute? And I put some edging around this scallops here. But we're going to have to put some stuff down before we put her down. So we're going to have this going sideways. Did I have that backwards? Okay. This is going to go sideways. This is going to go up and down. And she's going to go right there. How about that? All right, so let's get this in place. Come down here a little bit where it says say cheese. And then we're going to put this little darling on. Right here, and I love these colors, just the brown and the mauves and pinks and whites. It's so pretty. All right, and then she kind of overflows this, but it's cute. It hangs off just enough. Yay, look, we're all done. Isn't that awesome? Look how cute she is. Say cheese. You're going to be saying that all day because I've said it like 100 times now. Say cheese. Say cheese. I'll put in the description where she's from, where this is from, where these papers are from, and the dies that I used, and you'll be able to find everything that you need. If you have any questions, feel free to comment, or if you just want to say hi, feel free to comment. I'd love to hear from you. And it'd be great if you would like and hit the bell and become a subscriber. I'd love it. Thank you so much. Bye.